Come with me on my magical urinal ride to travel up far to an art gallery in the sky. And the first piece of art we come across is a room where the lights go on and off. Can someone please tell me why?
Martin Creed made this installation to explore society's expectations of art. He timed the lights so that the viewer had time to look in the room before it went dark, then light, then dark again.
Oh, okay. Come with me on my magical urinal ride. Let's see if there are any other pieces of art that we can find. The second piece of art floats over Kansas. It's a slash of a knife in a canvas. Can someone tell me why?
Lucio Fontana made this painting to explore limitlessness and space and the limitations of art and its perishable nature. He believed that art could not last forever and said, "Where man ends, infinity begins."
The third piece of art on my magical urinal ride
is actually the thing you're standing on. So if you wouldn't mind. This is an artwork by Marcel Duchamp. The last piece of artwork on his little romp. An explanation of which I'll provide. Duchamp submitted this magical urinal, which he named Fountain, to an art exhibition. It was rejected. He complained that he'd paid his money so the piece should be shown. He believed that art should appeal not primarily to the eyes but to the mind. So now it's in the art gallery in the sky.
I'm falling through artworks I find appalling, lying in my bed by Tracy Emin. I'm falling. I'm falling through artworks I find appalling, like Mama by Louis Bourgeois. I'm falling. I will catch you, my darling, glass on the base toilet, soft and unusable and magical like the rhino. I'm falling no more through artworks I don't find appalling anymore. Now I'm not So far we have flown, so far from our home. We've crossed the ozone to somewhere unknown. Now where do we go? To the right of Rothko, to the left of Warhol, of Marilyn Monroe. Ahead is a Nauman, self-portrait as a fountain, pacing upside down. That's some tortured clown. Behind is Noise by Ed Ruscha. Hunk of screen, shh, music. Where is this place? And what do I face? Please help me to navigate through this strange space. Do you know where we are? In the dark I see stars. I would like to find out where we've got to so far, so far. The head is swimming. I try not to think of death. It's a physical impossibility in the mind of someone living. Gravity fails me. I'm a floating anomaly. Apart from the gallery, I'm alone in the galaxy. Where is this place? And what do I face? Please help me to navigate through this strange space. Do you know where we are? In the dark I see stars. I would like to find out where we've got to so far, so far. Where is this place? And what do I face? Please help me to navigate through this strange space. Do you know where we are? In the dark I see stars. I would like to find out where we've got to so far, so far.
A great weight lifted from my shoulders. My mind finds turning over and over. It's fine, mind, time to forget what is over. It's over, forget.
Cause under you let the hand of God striking down and brought him up. I heard him calling, heard the thunder. I saw him falling, so I picked him up. Always pick up your pieces, well I've had enough. You gotta take responsibility. Every time you can't rely on me to get you out of situations, risking my reputation. How dare you, I tell you. You get him down or he's going to suffer. You get him down or he's going to suffer. You get him down or he's going to suffer. You get him down or he's going to suffer.
I try to expand his worldview. Is that such a bad thing to try to do? I don't think he even knew who he was talking to. He kept looking around like I was.
He's only human, he doesn't see a sculpture talking very often. He's never known the culture of a sculpture, or the culture of an opera for that matter. Never seen an installation out of conversation, never seen a painting speak 1,000 words. And now you want to take him to the art world. He's not a man of this world. Take him out of this world. Take him out of this world.
Get him down or he's going to suffer.
You get him down or he's going to suffer. You get him down or he's going to suffer. You get him down or he's going to suffer.
Excuse me, sir. Invitation only, I'm afraid. This is the art world. Go away, go away, go away, go away, go away. Fat cats on the art world, fat cats and the cash. They bring in all the artwork and swing out all the trash. Go away, go away, oh go away, go away.
Wait. Wait. What kind of artwork have you got for sale?
A painting by a dead white European man.
Wait. What are you asking for, Cézanne, Picasso or Klimt? that's so much money, and I'm skint.
Fat cats earn the money. Fat cats get to choose the artwork in the artwork.
Can I be excused?